opens up a bit of a can of worms. Does this mean that the two L's in yellow have a silent L between them? Our first instinct would be to say no, because if you remove one of the L's from yellow, you would get something that you'd think would be pronounced like yellow. However, felon and melon are both pronounced the same way that yellow is in terms of emphasis, despite only having one L, which means either yellow has a silent L or felon and melon have invisible L's. You could also argue that the extra E's in beekeeper are silent. That might seem ridiculous, because we know that you need two E's in order to make a long E sound. But the truth is that you do not, like in words like theme and meme, that only